Happy morning children. Now very simple examples we are going to take from practice set 15.6. Here you have been given radii of the circles are given. You have to find the area. Means what you have to find? Given. Radii means 28 centimeter is the radius given and you have to find area of the circle. Now here I have written given. R is 28 centimeter. That is radius is 28 centimeter and find area of the circle. So now area of the circle formula is area of the circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to, now what is the value of pi? 22 upon 7 into r is 28 square, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28, which is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28. So 22 into 4 will give you 88. 22 into 4 is 88 into 28. Now you multiply this, you will get the answer 2464 square centimeter. This is the way you have to do the first example. Now second they have given, what they have given here, radius 10.5. So again same method. What you will write here? Given r is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Fine. What you have to find? Area of the circle. So area of the circle formula is what? Pi r square. So we will write pi value is 22 upon 7 into 10.5 square. Okay, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. Now simple method is, many of the students they feel frightened of decimal. So I tell them you remove the decimal. Now if I want to remove this decimal, after decimal point there is only one digit. So I will multiply 10.5 by 10. Then the decimal point will shift by one digit. If I am multiplying by 10, I should also divide by 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. So I am not changing anything. Okay. Into, now again here also 10.5 is there. Again I will do the same thing. 10.5 into 10 upon 1 into 10. So now I am just explaining you how we have to remove the decimal point. Now what we have to do? Which is equal to 22 upon 7 into, now decimal point will shift by one digit. So 10.5 into 10 will give you 105 upon 10 into 10.5 into 10 will give you 105 upon 10. Now this you keep it as it is. Now here 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So you are getting 22 into 15 into 105. 10 into 10 is 100. So this way you can remove the decimal point and you can solve the example. Till here you have got it. Now what will happen? Now you should do the correct multiplication. 22 into 15. The into 105. So it's a long example. So now 22 into 15 into 105, it is giving 34,650. You do the calculation and you can check upon 100, which is equal to, now 100 means there are two zeros here. So what you will do, first write what the numerator, 34,650. Now 100 is there. So after decimal point there should be two digit. So what we will do, this we have written, after decimal point how many digits should be there? Two digits. So 1, 2. So 305. 46.50 square centimeter. This way you have to solve the example. I hope you have understood it.